Hi guys, welcome back to this concept-based YouTube channel to all my dear viewers. And today I will solve exercise 5.1 question number 2, which is about giving definitions to some of the topics which is given in Roman number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, right? These are the 5 things which we need to do it in these questions. And I would like to add one more, that is, if you are new to this channel, please do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel so that whenever there is a new videos I upload in this channel, then you will be able to see that, right? Okay, then first we have parallel line. I'll not read the questions, I'll just explain it, whatever things that is needed to explain in this. At first we have parallel lines. Simply, what do you mean by parallel lines? That we have to learn it from this, right? Now let me take the first one, which is parallel line. In order to make this definition clear, better, first let me write it like this. It is parallel line. If you talk about parallel lines, means it is a line. There will be two lines and one will be in above. Let me say this one is AB and the one that is in downside, it is PQ. Let me say like this. There will be two lines and these two lines will not intersect each other even if they produce indefinitely after this or even in these directions. So such kind of lines which are not intersecting each other and go in these directions or in this shape or in this process, we call it as parallel lines, right? Then let us move to the next, which is perpendicular line. In case of perpendicular line, for this there will be two lines. One line should be like this and another should intersect, another line should intersect the one which is in that directions, right? And let me name this as AB and this as PQ. And after that, after intersecting these two lines, then they'll make an angles of 90 degree. So these kinds of intersections of lines and making an angle 90 degree, we call it as perpendicular line. Okay, then let us move to the next, which is Roman number 3. In Roman number 3 we have line segment. In order to understand line segment, first let me write it this one. We have a line segment. In case of line segment, we can draw any lines even in these directions as well as in these directions, right? That's what we call it as indefinite line or fixed end. Let me draw it in these directions. Let me draw it up to this, and even in these directions let me draw up to this, and the name will be like A and B. Now if it talks about line segment is the part of the line in which it should have fixed end. That is, if you started from this, then it will have a fixed end, and even in this direction it will have a fixed end. So such kind of lines which has fixed end, we call it as line segment. Okay, then let us move to the last, next to the, just before the last, that is Roman number 4. We have radius of a circle. In case of radius of a circle, first we need to draw a circle, and after drawing a circle, let me take this as center. In case of this, we're about to determine radius of a circle. In order to define this, we need a center. Let me name this as center, and using this, let me draw a line segment touching this, right, at any point on this circle. So this line segment which connect this center as well as at any point on this, we call it as this line segment, we call it as radius of a circle. Clear? Then let me move to the last, which is a square. In case of a square, actually in square, things that you can understand it from this square, it is the opposite side, that is will be parallel, and even in this it will be parallel, and moreover the angle that will go in this kinds of quadrilateral, it will be 90 degree, and even in this it will be 90 degree, even in this 90 degree. Thus we can conclude that in case of a square, we can define it in this way. A square is a kind of a quadrilateral in which all the opposite sides are equal and all the sides are equal, right? So we can define it in that, and angles are equal. So such kind of quadrilateral, simply we call it as a square. That's it. Okay, so this is all about the problem which we are about to explain it today, and I hope everyone can understand this, and hopefully we'll see in the next videos. That's all for today. Thank you.